In this video, we will be replacing the key fob battery for this 2019 Jeep Compass. Taking a look at the key fob, we first want to flip it over and locate our key release tab on the back. Sliding this tab over will allow us to remove the physical key, and then we are left with our key slot location, and just below that we have a small secondary slot. And using a standard head screwdriver, we can work that into that slot and gently twist the screwdriver, which will pop these two halves apart. And we can then work that the rest of the way apart. And using a smaller standard head screwdriver, we can work that battery out. And this does take a CR2032 battery, and when installing this, we will have what is basically the bottom of the battery facing up at us. After that, we can combine the two halves back together, replace that physical key, and this repair is complete.